So we'll try another angle again, which is angle 67.5. 60 what? 7.5. Right? So what you ask yourself is 7.5 falls in between 60 and what? 90. How good? So we're going to draw our line. Look at the way I will start with it. I'll draw my line from here to here, and I will say this is A, this is B, right? So since the 7.5 fall in between 90 and 60, I will take my 90-degree set square, I'll place it at the edge here, and I'll take it up. How good? And I'll take it up like this faint line. How good? And I'll take my 60-degree because it's falling between those two, and I'll take it to that edge, and I'll do the same thing too. So this is 60. This is 60, and this is 90. Is that taken now? So now what will I do? If you subtract 60 from 90, you'll be having 30. Abi? So you bisect 60 and 90. So in bisecting it, this is what you'll be having. So I'll place my compass at this point here, at the end here, and I'll draw my arc this way, and I'll come here, and I'm going to draw the arc. I'll come here too, I'll cut that with the same radius. So I will draw my faint line from this point where they meet. How good? So if you look at now, this is another 30 degrees. I mean 15. That's what? 15. So 60 plus 15 is what? 75. But I don't really need 75. What I need is 7.5. So in between 60 and 15, we're having 15, right? Between these two is 15 degrees. Between these two angles here is 15. So because you bisected 30. Now what you will now do here is you're going to bisect 15 again. So I'll take my compass. I'll bisect the 15 again. This one here. Can you see these two? Bisecting these two, and I'll place it without adjusting my compass. I'll place it at this end here. Can you see the end? I'll place it at this end here. This end. So I'm going to mark my arc here, and I'll place it at this end too. I'll mark my arc here too. So where they meet is at this point. How good? So I'm going to thicken it. Why will I thicken it? Because of what? This is 7.5. So I'm starting from 0, and I'm moving 0, 60 plus 7.5. That is what? 67.5. So it means that my angle from this point here, or I might reduce it a little bit from here to here, is 67.5. So one thing you need to understand is, if I thicken the first one 60 degrees, if I thicken this one 7.5, if I thicken this one, it is what? 60 plus 15, that is what? 75. And if I thicken this one is what? 90. So whatever I thicken, that is the angle that I'm actually looking for. So thank you very much.